We have sprout based, we have quinoa based, then we have some artisanal sites. Our major focus is that all of our products should be very unadulterated. Our juices are without any kind of mix, pure fruits. And you try any of our product, the biggest USP you will find is the freshness. Only this one. So one of the reasons how this entire brand focus only into the veg, both being Gen, this is very obvious kind of choice. So there is nothing non-veg. So in our entire segment, this is what our, so what we do, we meet our mentors, we meet lot many our senior counterparts. They always suggest only add egg. This will enhance your sales by another 20 to 30% when it comes to entire world is now going at when it comes to wellness and they want protein. Egg is the simplest form. And we consciously decided that we will never add any non-veg in any of our products. Entire juice segment, that was again a very, beat veg, beat non-veg, there's no control. I'm more into fitness and again, in last 1 to 1.5 years, he has done tremendous thing when it comes to fitness. Running, yoga, regular drills, and when it comes to food, he's the guy. So combination of us, another interesting fact, we are Zika Star. To make it more interesting, our CFO who has currently joined, he is Zika and the CFO is Saga. So you can say this is Zika Saga kind of thing. This is a very nutshell brief when it comes to operations side. Pius is the best guy. He takes care of operations, purchase. He can give you some brief about how we do our functions and business wise how can we connect. So over to Pius.
गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। सो जब हमने स्टार्ट करा था 2014 में, सबसे बड़ा क्वेश्चन यही था लोगों का कि कैलकाटा में जूस कौन पिए। एंड अभी भी लोग यही पूछते रहते हैं एंड वी जस्ट शो देम आवर नंबर्स एंड वी सी हाउ द ट्रांजिशन हैज हैपेंड, कैसे अवेयरनेस बढ़ा है लोगों में। स्पेशली कोविड वाज अ ग्रेट पुशर फॉर अस, सबके दिमाग में जहन में डाल दिया कि हेल्दी लाइफस्टाइल अडॉप्ट करना कितना इंपॉर्टेंट है। एंड आई एम श्योर एवरीवन एग्रीज, नॉट जस्ट ईटिंग बट the entire way of living your life, discipline and fitness and how you actually live your life is more important than just going with the wind. So उस समय में यही चैलेंज फेस करते कि लोग चाय की शहर में जूस कौन पिएगा। तब से हमारा यही सपना था कि how to make this चाय वाला सिटी है, जूस वाला सिटी है। And we are very proud when almost when we meet people from other cities and they recognize our brands, and that's the biggest push for us. I was really surprised that Canada में भी ऐसा कुछ product है, and that's really a great confidence booster for us. And gradually we have transformed people, our clients, our customers, and best part is कि आजकल schools में भी अगर आप देखोगे तो वहाँ बोलते हैं कि कैसे आप physical drinks avoid करो, कैसे आप packed juices avoid करो. So this awareness is never ending, and the world is moving towards a better, healthier life ahead. Coming to operation side, of course, हमारा सबसे बड़ा challenge था since we deal with perishable items. So why, I mean, when you see Subway, you see Burger King, you see any good Indian brands also, उनके लिए it's very, I mean, business model is very easy to scale, ठीक है. But हमारे लिए सबसे बड़ा challenge था how to sustain a business which almost 90% relies on fresh produce. आज काफी brands आए गए, but our journey, our forte has been how we have controlled our entire supply chain procurement when it comes to fresh perishable items. So we started from groundwork and the reality check was कि अगर fresh नहीं रहेगा, आपके घर में भी आप देखो fruits आते हैं, आप 2 दिन 3 दिन 5 दिन बाद भी same fruit को खाओ, आपको difference नजर आएगा. So our entire supply chain cycle was a 2-day cycle, whereas in our industry nobody works in a 2-day cycle. सबके यहाँ 7 दिन का सामान आ जाता है, 15 दिन का सामान आ जाता है, रेस्टोरेंट में रहता है, आराम से फ्रिज में रहता है. But we were very conscious it has to be fresh, it has to be as good as what we can do. Another thing which we firmly believe is जो हम अपने clients को देते हैं वो क्या अपने घर में अपने बच्चों को दे सकते हैं. That has been again our key lesson to all our staffs who recruit, who join. उनका सबसे पहला ट्रेनिंग में यही बोलते हैं कि आप जो भी फ्रूट काट रहे हो आप इंश्योर करो कि क्या आप अपने बच्चों को खिलाओगे तभी आप कस्टमर करोगे. That confidence we all have on our shoulders, all our staffs have on their shoulders कि हम जो दे रहे हैं वो सही है नहीं है, वो फ्रेश है नहीं है.
Just to add one more thing, same fruits जो भी हम अपने कस्टमर्स को देते हैं वही सेम फ्रूट्स हमारे घर पे भी जा रहे हैं. तो मेरे बच्चे भी वही खा रहे हैं, मेरे फैमिली सब वही फ्रूट्स खा रहे हैं. So there is no difference So whatever we are purchasing, same thing is going to our home as well.
And then as we started scaling up, हमारी mistakes गलतियाँ बहुत हुई थी. We learned a lot because none of us from affiliate background. He is from finance background, I am from software engineering background. So ये एक passion था जो हमें आज यहाँ पर खड़ा करा honestly. And as we grew, as we scaled up, हमारे outlets बढ़ते रहे तो हमने realize करा हमारे systems, processes कितने अच्छे होने चाहिए. Where it can run on its own, जहाँ हमें अपने आप alerts आ जाए, हमें अपने आप पता चल जाए कहाँ गलतियाँ हो रही है, कहाँ नहीं हो रही है. बिकॉज आज हम एक दुकान, दो दुकान, तीन दुकान में हम पर्सनली जाकर देख सकते हैं. जब ये 10, 15, 20, 50 हो जाएंगे, इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल फॉर अस टू बी देयर फिजिकली. So that's how we really post-COVID was game changer for us because we really invested well on our systems, processes. हमने recruitment करा, हमने tech को adopt करा. Tech adoption is again a very key for every business, not just F&B I believe. क्योंकि वो आपकी चीज़ों को बहुत कुछ simplify कर देता है, automate कर देता है, आपको control देता है sitting at anywhere in the globe. So that is our personal learning, and today we, as Rajesh Bhaiya said, we are expanded in Hyderabad. We just started operations a month back, and we are very bullish. Hyderabad will be a really great city for us.